everybody? Back in with another video. Today I'll be filming in my garage, putting together a mother-in-law gift that she got me for me and my wife. It's a grill. It's from Sam's. It's a Members Mark grill. So we're putting that together today and give you a little review of it and let you know the quality of it and everything. So let's get this video started. Alright, I got my grill. I got it down here on the ground. I should have low-key put together this in the house because it is hot out here. So I got my fan on out here, which y'all probably see from this camera. Like I said, got my fan on here because it's hot. But it should take me to put this grill together. Again, this grill was a gift from mother-in-law. It's from Sam's. It's a Members Mark grill. So let's see. It's in the box. Plate. Plate for the when you put the food on. I guess it's another plate right here. Yeah, another plate. This right here. Oh, 3 plate. Okay. Good plate. Okay. 35-inch burger, traditional flavor. Wow. Big enough 3 was. Got 3 of these those grates in there. Alright, instructions. Get a little job to put this grill together. It's gonna be a job to put this grill together. I thought it won't be that bad, but woo, look at the instructions. This little side of a rat thing, I guess. Hose. What this is. I guess, oh, this is where you put a charcoal lid. This is a drawer that slides in and out. You put a charcoal lid. Okay. The hood. This ain't bad quality. You got some weight to it. Not bad, not bad. It's the bottom part. was expecting to have a little sticker up there. It used to be like on just the floor models. Advertisement, get a little sticker on there. What's in here? I guess it's great for like being a little top rack of the top cover of the grill. I guess it's a little rack to go on top of there. And more of the feet, the other 2 feet in the box. Cardboard. That's in the front. Okay, I don't know what this is. Alright. Let's hear the hell. The darn skeet in the box. Good lord. Alright. I'm gonna talk about this rest of this footage as I put this thing together. So y'all enjoy the music and watch you put this together. But dude, I think Lord put that fan out here, but it's a lot cool out here now. But alright, let's go. Bam. Alright. With this grill, I don't know if because the metal is made out, but some of the parts and stuff didn't line up. You have to bend some stuff to get the holes to align. Or it could be, which I think it is, don't tighten everything all the way down until you get all the way finished. A lot of stuff had to loosen back up so I can get another piece to fit. So, but sorry I couldn't get all the time-lapse footage. My camera died, and then my phone died too. So it was just a whole process. So all it took me about an hour to put this grill together. So I don't know how long you'll take if you do get a grill like this, but as far as I can see, it's a good grill. Very heavy duty. Very the quality was real good. Real sturdy, very sturdy. Let me get y'all off. Some pieces, like, let me show you. As you can see right here, that nut that's missing right there. One on top, not one on the bottom. You see that's not lined up? Okay, that's on both sides. Would not, the nut itself, you can get the whole line if you hold it up. But the nut that's supposed to go in there, which is this one, does not fit in the bottom space. I don't know why, but it does not fit in the bottom space down there. Other than that, the grill's pretty much easy to put together. It's just a lot of the instructions should have been like, you know, put all the bottom sections and stuff should have been put together all at one time instead of jumping around how the instructions did it. So like, if it was me doing the instructions, if y'all buy this grill, okay, some of these steps gonna say, you know, you're gonna put the bottom legs on, this on the legs, the bottom barrel part on the legs, this whole area right here. It'll tell you to put the legs on, then it'll tell you to put these on, then put the bottom tray down on, which is stupid. So skip around the structure, just put, but if you put the legs on, go ahead and put, I still gotta tighten it up everywhere. Go ahead and put the bottom tray on, put your wheels on while you're down there, because you gotta flip the side anyways. Then put these on, well, I'm sorry, put little vents on, then put these on the side, the racks. Then go ahead and put the charcoal tray together and put a little bit on the side over here. Then the only thing you have left is put the grates in. This is slide the top rack on and the hood itself. And the hood is easy to put on, just the thermometer slides in, 4 bolts to hold the handle on, 2 bolts to hold the little stack on, and that's it. So put all the bottom part stuff together first before you jump around like the instructions tells you. That's just my opinion. That's how I would do it. So need some light. Okay, there we go. That's how I would do it. So, other than that, it wasn't too hard. I'm gonna cook on the grill. Put some hot dogs and chicken breast on there, and that'd be the first run. First run of the grill. Another thing too, I'll pull out and show you. Okay, on this bottom part, okay, the little hole right there, I'm sorry, right there, that's supposed to be, that little spring there here, you're supposed to put a little cup there, that's supposed to catch the grease. Okay, if it drops down, okay, so you got your chicken, red hot links up here cooking. Alright, the grease is going to drop down into this charcoal tray. Now, where in the world do you see a hole on here for the grease to drop down to that little cup? Nowhere. So to me, I think that was stupid. Because when you put a charcoal tray in there, that hole right there is covered up. See, watch. Covered up. Now, how in the world grease gonna drop down there? I don't understand. So that was kind of crazy to me. But that, we're gonna see how this grill gonna do tomorrow. We cook some chicken breast and some hot dogs on there, red hots. Overall, the grill took me probably an hour to put together, hour and a half maybe, because some of the pieces of stuff was wanting to just get real irritating. So and you have about, everything's installed correctly. Again, you probably have about 4 or 5, probably about 6 or 7 screws and nuts and stuff left that's extra. But like I said, just put the bottom part together first, then go to the top, because the instructions have you jumping everywhere, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But I got that grill together. It was a little job, but I got it together. So we're checking into you tomorrow. Checking you tomorrow as we like I said, cook on the grill, and we'll see how I do. But see you tomorrow.